Hey, Diamond Dave here, taking you back to the 80s. Now I'm here with my buddy, Cardboard Sapphire. Check him out. Dude, what's up? We're here to surprise his wife, Abby, for her birthday. This was all set up by Sapphire, and we're gonna go rock her socks off. Let's go. Come on, buddy. We're here to party! Check her out, who came to the party! Yeah. It's your rockin' husband! Sapphire! Yeah! Happy birthday! Right on!
Birthday girl! Happy birthday!
Dear Happy birthday! He told me he was gonna be here! He here!
Can we come in? We got a little show. All right, let's go in.
Honey, come inside.
Take your loving man in.
Come on, baby. Let's go in the house.
Right on.
Come on in. Come on. Let me see if I can get it up here. Yes, I saw the good balcony. I looked at the balcony.
He here!
Oh, he did it? Yeah. Oh, Abby, how cool is that? She's going to hang out in her bed tonight.
Now,
That is
Brian gonna do his spiel.
Look at him. Look at that fit on his face.
Is there
Can
we turn some lights on?
Or actually, it's much better over here, babe. Much better over here.
It was on. Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
You need to turn it on the light bulbs.
We need lights and we gotta get it.
Actually, yeah. This
What
over.
about this?
This way is much better. Yeah.
You know what? Take for it. Get something like this.
There we go.
Perfect.
He did that. Bird, tell me he didn't do it. He said he's gonna be here. He here.
That money hanging out his pocket. He got your money hanging out his pocket. He got the look on his face. He can't tell him to blueberry.
Get over there by your husband.
Give him a hug.
I knew she was gonna
Give him a
start to
hug,
get
Abby.
emotional.
Y'all wrong for
He did that.
Get over there by.
Baby, you
My
wrong.
boy, he did that.
Get over there by your husband.
He's so cute.
Yeah, he here. My boy.
You wanna take some pictures there? Yeah,
Make
the
it
three
like
of us
it.
there. Right on.
Abby, you can take your phone, Jim?
I'm not. I'm videoing.
Bird, you
I'm-
got your rocker. Bird,
Kinda
got
tell
your
her.
rocker for you.
Yeah.
She loves it. Yeah.
So what we're doing is I'm videoing this whole thing.
Yeah, we're
So
gonna put it together and
put it
share
together for you.
with your hubby, and then you can share it on social media, whatever.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, he looks pretty cool, man.
Big girl, you
He's
must
the
love.
man.
Do this thing.
Is that about his height? Is that actual
Oh,
height?
no, no.
He's bigger?
A little bit smaller.
He's shorter for sure. He's shorter. But he's about this large in life.
Why, I'm Diamond Dave here, coming from the 80s. Yeah, to rock your world because he thinks you rock his world. Yeah. Now, I love to party and dance, but sometimes it's hard because what I got in my pants. Oh! They say, oh, we got a little shark there, yeah. This is Sheba the shark. She likes to take a bite out of Diamond Dave. Let's take you back in the time machine to the 80s here. Sit tight here. Here we go.
Only boob, huh?
Oh, my boo.
Oh, yeah! Wow! All right! All right, let me show us some moves.
Oh, here, Bird. Come on, Bird. Bird, come on. Get in there.
You really got him going. You got him so he don't know where he's going. Oh, yeah! Girl, you really got him now. You got him so he can't sleep at night. Girl, you really got him going. You got him so he don't know where he's going now. Oh, yeah! You really got him now. You got him so he can't sleep at night. You really got him. You really got him. Wow! You really got him.
Look at Bull. Yeah, come on, Bird. Yeah. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
I gotta get a video on this. Let's go up there, yeah. Animal, man, hey. Look at what
Jump! Everybody jump!
I like this whole.
Good job back there in the back. Good job. Good job.
Bring us up to you're gonna love it. Love it.
He's so good. He's awesome.
I want to hear just a little bit about how you guys met. Can you enlighten me and the folks that are going to see this?
Everybody knows.
Oh,
Met
yeah.
online.
How'd you guys meet?
We met online.
Yes.
The new way of
The new way of
That's how we
There you
met. That's how
Oh,
Computer love.
Yeah.
computer love.
Nice.
computer love was a hot mess to begin with.
Tell me about your first date. Where was that at?
First date.
First date. That wasn't on the computer, you know, like actually meeting.
Oh, he was in some kind of weird halfway house. So I had to, we
You had
met
to go-
and talked through gate.
Yeah.
Your gate.
You
Through
had
a
to take a
gate.
bodyguard with you, just in protection, just in case.
That's her bodyguard.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What else? Let's see. You guys been together how long?
We'll be married for 5 years on April 1st.
That's
Last
fantastic.
time we said, tell them the date.
Well,
What
that's
date you got there?
fantastic.
It's Fool's Day.
Connie and I have been together 5 years too.
Oh, great.
Congrats.
Yeah. Well, he looks like a pretty rad dude there.
Hella rad.
Hella red.
That's my baby brother.
He's the
Aww.
man.
He's the best.
Yeah, he's the man.
Let me see here.
My doctor.
We're gonna put a couple of props, just a couple of props around your neck here for the next little thing here. Oh, we got an 80s you up there. Looking
Man,
good.
man, come on up.
All right, we're next. We're gonna put the guitar in. Sapphire.
Still video? It's still video?
Oh,
He's gonna be
there
our,
we
he's
go.
gonna be our Eddie Van Halen here. Yeah. Right on. Okay, now this next one, just like the early MTV days, we're gonna do a really cool video, David Lee Roth, and but if we could just have you slip to the back and put on this little two-piece bikini. What do you think, guys?
Yeah.
I think it's about your size. What do you think?
Yeah,
Not gonna happen. It's all
I
right.
bought bodysuits.
All right.
A new bodysuit.
that's brilliant.
Some of them early MTV videos were something else.
Oh, they were great.
All right. Here we got song number 2.
I like your shot.
Here we go.
Thank
Whoa.
you. Thank you.
I like this.
Oh yeah. Okay. Just do it like me, darling.
That's why I'm doing it, Bird.
This is why you
I'm just a gigolo, and everywhere I go, people know the song I'm playing. Ain't for every dance, love sweet romance. Ooh, what do they say? Never come a day when youth will pass away. What do they say about me? When the end comes, I know there was just a gigolo. Life goes on without me. Now help me out. I ain't got nobody.
Nobody.
Cares for me. Nobody cares for me. Nobody. I'm so sad and lonely. So lonely.
Yeah.
Some sweet mama, come and take a chance on me, 'cause I ain't so bad. Now let it go, honey. Oh yeah! Woo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Sat lonely, sat lonely. Want some sweet mama? Come and take a chance with me. 'Cause I ain't so bad.
That's right.
Come on, Ruth. Oh, yeah. Get the rock, get the rock. Oh, you get the rock. I ain't got nobody. 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 Take it in home now, honey. Nobody cares for me. Yeah. Yeah, we did good.
Husband is an idiot.
Right on, right on.
It's probably not good for my
Oh, if you decide to take the balloons off there, you can attach them to that cute little thing there.
Beautiful.
Well, now, did you
Good stuff,
you
good stuff, Ron.
did you have any good time in the '80s? Did you live to the '80s?
I
Yeah.
survived.
You survived the '80s.
I survived the 80s.
Same with Diamond Dave, yeah. Look right into this video here. This one we're sharing. Just say hi to friends, family, because
Or say,
Folks are
to
gonna
your
see it.
husband. All of my family that is not here right now, which is there are not many left of you, but I love all of you, and Boo gonna be home soon.
Oh, good. When's he
So,
coming?
We're hoping by the end of May.
Oh, good.
He's
That's
gonna
great.
be home, so life is good, and this is fucking amazing.
what branches is he ends up here?
Yeah,
What
so,
branch?
I wasn't completely honest
I
with
did.
Brian.
Oh. Oh, okay.
He's in prison.
Oh, okay.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
He's in jail.
Look, it's Tony Jealous to
Big
prison.
difference.
Okay.
But shit happens.
He was in the military then.
No, that was completely
They full of shit. They don't want to tell us. We don't care. We don't care.
Brian,
We'll edit this
because of business reasons.
No, don't, because it's reality.
It's part of his year.
Yeah.
It's part of our reality, and we're not ashamed of it because it wasn't his fault.
Yeah.
So we ain't mad about it. It's all good.
Yeah.
He is a good man, and he
Yeah.
will be here.
Good.
Yeah,
Because you all are a good
he
family.
took for something
Yeah.
he didn't do. It wasn't his fault. It was somebody else's shit.
So it's all
Y'all
good.
just feel right telling the guy on the phone like, oh, he's in.
It's all good. Shit happens.
Good. It doesn't matter. Everybody's
Everybody's
good
So
people.
it's okay because he's gonna be home soon.
His backpack looks like it's real from here. It looks like it's
We got a little birthday money
Says we
for
need.
for you right now, yeah. A little birthday money right here on my side. It's a whole lot of money. It's $1 million. $1 million. Yeah, made of chocolate. $1 million candy bar. Yeah. Signed by Diamond Dave.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that's dope.
And Marlon, you had a big hand in helping put this together.
Yes,
And we're
yes,
grateful for you.
Yes, appreciate it.
Yeah.
This
Yeah,
is
that's
awesome.
cool.
We're gonna sing happy birthday here again. Okay, sweetheart?
Okay.
All right, everybody ready? And we got the cake. Where's cake? Over there.
That cake
You wanna light the candle?
is
No,
beautiful.
wait.
Okay.
Cake presentation.
All right, let's sing happy
That
birthday
is so
again.
pretty.
The cake is.
Here we go. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, dear bird. Happy birthday to you.
Now, are you guys all related or
We are all family.
all family? We are
All
family.
family.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, I want you to know that my dear Connie and I appreciate her videoing always. We do about 130 characters. Yeah, but it had to be rock and roll,
Oh,
old school
it
here.
had to be for me.
Abby, have a rockin' birthday from Sapphire. Am I saying that right?
Zafir.
Sapphire. And David Lee Roth.
Wow.
Leave a few others you guys can check out the website. Pass them around.
Awesome.
Oh,
Yeah.
Brian, definitely you'll see me again.
Right
No,
on.
for sure.
Trust me.
You won't be seeing us again.
Trust me.
Put the
And
mask
what year
on.
were you born?
75.
Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and stop the video. We're just gonna
75 and 87.
use a different camera, take a